Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of bead art design. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, beads can transform any project into a stunning piece of art. So grab your supplies and let's get inspired. 1. Nature-inspired patterns. First up, let's explore nature. Create beautiful floral designs or intricate leaf motifs. These can be used for jewelry or even wall decor. 2. Geometric shapes. Next, geometric patterns are a fantastic way to play with shapes. Use different sized beads to make coasters or decorative trays that pop. 3. Animal figures. How about crafting 3D animals? With a little wire and creativity, you can make adorable bird or fish figures. 4. Mosaic. Art mosaics are a great way to use up leftover beads. Arrange them in colorful patterns to create unique picture frames or tabletops. 5. Beaded embroidery. Incorporating beads into fabric art adds a stunning texture. Sew them onto canvas or clothing for an eye-catching design. 6. Seasonal themes. Celebrate the seasons with themed designs. Create snowflakes for winter or suns for summer to brighten up your space. 7. Cultural symbols. Explore cultural motifs with mandalas or tribal patterns. These designs tell a story and add a personal touch. 8. Personalized jewelry. Make it personal. Use letter beads to create custom pieces that showcase your initials or favorite symbols. 9. Hanging decorations. Craft beautiful mobiles using a variety of beads, suspended in a way that catches the light. 10. Beaded keychains. Finally, don't forget about fun keychains. Combine colorful beads and charms for a practical yet stylish accessory. Thanks for joining me on this colorful journey through bead art design. I hope these ideas inspire you to create your own unique pieces. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crafting inspiration. Share your bead creations in the comments below. I'd love to see them. Until next time, happy crafting!